Azure and DigitalOcean both offer cloud hosting, but they approach scaling in very different ways. Azure is known for its massive catalog of services. You get virtual machines, databases, storage, artificial intelligence tools, and enough enterprise features to support almost any workload. It is powerful, but it can also feel overwhelming. Scaling on Azure is flexible and highly customizable. You can automate resources, set rules based on traffic, and expand into multiple regions whenever your business grows. It is built for organizations that expect to scale fast and need a platform that can match complex plans. The trade-off is that Azure often requires more setup and more technical knowledge. You get impressive control, but it comes with a learning curve. DigitalOcean focuses on simplicity and clarity. Instead of hundreds of services, it gives you a clean set of essential tools that most small businesses actually use. You can launch servers, manage databases, and deploy containers without wading through complicated menus. The interface feels approachable, and scaling is usually a matter of adding more resources or expanding to a larger plan. DigitalOcean aims to make cloud hosting feel stress-free, especially for smaller teams or developers who want predictable pricing and a gentle learning curve. Both platforms can scale effectively, but they serve different needs. Choose Azure if you want power, customization, and room for enterprise growth. Choose DigitalOcean if you value simplicity, speed, and a clear path to scaling without extra complexity. Either option can support your business, but the right choice depends on how much control and complexity you want to manage as you grow.